Shantanu Deshpande. In this corona pandemic, it's very essential to maintain social distancing and wear masks. It's very essential you wear your mask properly. Improper use of mask is as good as no wearing no mask. So I'll tell you today how to wear a mask, surgical mask. Okay. So first you should have a surgical mask, which can be like a three-ply surgical mask, which is easily available in any of the medical stores for 8 to 10 rupees. Or you can wear a cloth mask also. That's again no problem. You can wear that. So you have a cloth mask or a surgical ply mask. Whenever you are wearing a mask, first wash your hands with a sanitizer. So I am taking a sanitizer here. I'm washing my hands from all the sides. I'm washing my hands. Okay. Then check your surgical mask. There are two sides to your surgical mask. One is a dark side. This is more bluish than the back side. This is a more fainter side. Okay. And so the fainter side goes towards the nose. Okay. And upper side and lower side, you can make out the upper side by a metal clip inside the mask. There is a metal clip inside the mask which goes towards the nose, and this lower side goes towards the chin. So hold your mask with the strings attached, put behind the ear, then other end behind the ear. Okay. Now take your clip over the nose, and the lower end should cover chin completely. Then fix the upper clip by pressing it like this. Okay. This is how you wear a surgical mask. Now it is very essential whenever you are wearing surgical mask, you are not touching the outer surface, because outer surface is coated with all the viruses. So all the viruses which are present in environment will get onto the outer surface of the surgical mask, and whenever you touch this mask from outside, it's going to touch your fingers, and these fingers will be loaded with virus, and whenever you touch your mouth or your eyes, it's going to go inside. So once this mask is applied, you are not supposed to touch again and again. Don't take it out like this while speaking. Just keep it like this. This is very essential. This is very essential till the time you want to take out the mask for some reasons. Okay. So whenever you want to take out this mask, like for eating, or you have come back home and you want to take it out. Okay. So again you take your hand, a sanitizer, wash your hands again very cleanly. Have a ziploc bag, or you can have a paper bag also. Have a ziploc bag or a paper bag. So how to take out the mask? Just take out this clip. From inside you can touch, but don't touch outside. From here I am taking out again. Now how to fold this mask? Don't touch it outside and fold from the outer side. Okay, which was exposed. So fold it like this. Okay, and you can keep it inside your bag. Okay. The same thing applies for the cloth mask also. Cloth mask, there might not be a metal clip inside. So which is the upper side and which is the lower side? You can see the folds inside. Okay. These folds should go downwards. Okay. These folds, you can see this fold. Fold should go downwards. Again, the outer side and inner side you can make out by the stitches. The stitching is from inside. You can see this. This is the inside part, and this is the outside part. And the fold should be downwards. So same way you can wear this mask. Choose a mask according to your size of the face. Now, this is a little smaller for me. Actually, I'll need a bigger one. I use a surgical mask, so I don't have any cloth mask at present. So a little bigger will be doing a good thing here. And whenever you take out, you fold it from inside. Keep it till the evening in a paper bag or a ziploc bag, and in the evening you can wash this cloth mask. Surgical mask, you have to discard it after a single use in the night. The whole day you can use one surgical mask, and keep it in a paper bag or a ziploc bag, and in the evening you can take it out. Whenever you are kept inside the ziploc bag this mask, you will have to again sanitize your hands properly. This is very important, very important. Now many times we see people are putting masks like this, and while speaking, they'll take it out like this and they'll speak, then again they'll put. Now this is not going to help. This will cause more infections rather than not wearing a mask. So please be careful how you wear your mask. Secondly, it's not only important you wear mask, it's very important the opposite person also wears mask. You are wearing mask and opposite person is not wearing a mask, the risk to you is more than him. So it is very essential both persons wear mask while interacting or while you are outside anywhere. So anybody is not wearing a mask, you make sure they also wear a mask. Oh, thank you very much.